You understand? So everybody jump up and I feel say, yo, oh, and if it this, and if it that, and if it Ray. And the next thing again, me now run up and down and beat no pitney again. Back in the day, say me, yeah, me used to lick pitney. But now I lick no pitney. I have high blood pressure. Them a pitney are big and them, me not lie. It's just a truth, them kin tough. When you lick them, for you lick a bounce off back and you a get the lick. Them not get no lick. And them opinion nowadays for them body immune. Them done immune. Them body done immune to lick. You understand me? When you go lick them for your poor look whole self or for your poor look fragile self, because enough for them young age, them young and strong and vibrant. When you go lick them now, all like bounce off back to you. So they don't get no lick. What go on? Morning.
Free now, honey, morning. What's up?
I'm a day. I go and talk with my people. Them.
I
Right?
mean, man. Years me not see you.
Over yourself.
Annie, you know say tomorrow though?
Tomorrow?
Yeah, man, tomorrow.
Murder, she wrote. I may have a match tomorrow, 8 o'clock too, you know.
8 o'clock. I think I will a little bit after your match. Like a little bit after your match.
Alright.
Because, you know, I just go on all of vibe. You know, say I want a birthday drop thing, you see me?
Yeah.
Yeah, so when I finish a match, you know.
Alright. So I'm finished my match, man, rolling.
I mean, man, you know, just show your people
Got to. But we are pausing and go and finish talk when I say to my people.
Yeah, man,
them,
yes, man.
the day here. Hey, thank you. Hey, my first money going in the morning. Thank you so much. What go on? You alright? So, as I may say, guys, yeah, I want. Are you? Yeah, I'm good. I just say I go and reason with my people, them, you know, and relax. Good morning, baby. Good morning, Sexy K. What's up? Thank you for going in at the morning. Thank It's me. Which from? Big up yourself. Enough love. Oh my God. Zoe, come here. My phone for you. Happy New Month. Guys, big up. Come on, guys. Light up the scream. Come, guys, light up the scream. Happy New Month, guys. Big up. Love. Love you. When we done that session, I go call you here. So I hope you push part of your phone. Yeah, I can call you. And maybe I go busy, but I call you when I done that one here. But guys, everybody in the comment section, guys, when you use the double, oh God, we have a double. Light up the new month. That me I tell you. Thank you, baby. Thank you for the money gun. Guys, light up it. One and it talk shoot. Guys, look here. Light it up. June season in right now. All of the June people, them. June, baby. Una there. Welcome dead up the thing. Thank you, boo. Thank you. Eh? What go on? What you say? Come call for. I don't know. Yeah, everybody, June people, light it up. Come on, everybody, put up some blue hearts. Send up blue hearts. Send up a bag of things, guys. Wanna just light up a place. Make the place just light up and nice. That me I tell you. Oh yeah, this one I ask you. We start the celebration from now. Yeah, girl. Look a girl. Zozo. Sit here. Guys, on the top of a scream chat. Top of a scream. Gemini babies. On a run out for me no man. One day. Yeah, sit here. Juvenile. Yeah, babies, right there. So big up one Juvenile. Thank you, baby. Thank you so much. Guys, on the game, I follow for me now, please. And thank you. Queen, thank you for the rose, baby. Enough love. June the 10th, talk truth. Send up the birthday, them. The 13th of June. Lord God, the 3, the 4, Bumby, the 4th of June, my birthday, baby. My birthday twin. Wagwan, twinning. Hello. Thank you for the ice cream. Thank you for the rose. Come on, Gemini babies. Look here, we stand out, you know one thing with we stand out. Like, good morning. Gemini people, them stand out. Hello, Rich. The 26th, oh my God. Rich, well gone. The 26th. Oh my God. July. Oh, you're okay. June the 6th, okay. Oh, my dad birthday is today, the 1st. Big up to your father. Enough love. Happy birthday to your dad. Okay, the June the 4th. That's my Gemini twin. I'm good, beautiful, and you? I'm doing okay. I'm doing okay. I can't believe me and your friend ain't come check for me though. June the 14th, June the 17th, June the 10th. Guys, all right, want to listen to me now, all right? I have a little party. I don't know. And it's not a party, but it's a dinner. So I don't know if you don't want like alright, me can't say that. Today is Jabba's birthday, I know. Like, me just feel like so we can keep on look at Gemini birthday party, but me can't say about the dinner because the dinner is like a private settings and whatever. But we're gonna have an after party. So I don't know if we're gonna be close enough where, you know, a couple of my ladies can even come and just enjoy on herself with me and so forth. But guys, today is Jabba's birthday. Today is Jabba's birthday, guys. Right? Today a Jabba's birthday, and me telling you, guys, we want to go over Jabba's and we want to show Jabba's some love anytime he come on. We don't want you no cussing from him. We don't want you no cussing. We don't want you no cussing. We don't want you no cussing from Jabba's. We just want to show Jabba's some love. You understand what I say? You're right. That's so, guys. Today, and check your inbox. All right, sweetheart, check my inbox. Okay. All right, baby. Queen, thank you. And thank you so much for the ice cream. Guys, may I beg you, give me a gift to follow up, please, and thank you. So, I don't know how it go today, you know. I don't hear nobody else say nothing much like them I go over Jabba's. But guys, as soon as Jabba's come on, I want to go over there. All right? I wish you to come over there with me. Come, you know, the day I will go and celebrate his birthday with him and make a man know, say, yo, we're there for you. Yeah, tell me, you can't tell me anything. You can't tell me anything. Once you not borrow the money because me broke. So you can't tell me anything. Otherwise, I'm telling me, say, you want something from me, I'm not have it. Please, you can't tell me. You can't tell me anything, because maybe I tell me, say, give me a meal. Tell me something quick. Yes, baby, me can come. Of course you can come. You would have really asked that if you can come. Of course you can come. You can came. Yeah. May I wait for the person who want to tell me something? What you say? No, man, it's too early for that. Hey, guys, look at it. No, man, it's too early for that. A wrong comment, that wrong smart, the wrong text, a wrong live. You know, my love. Guys, don't filter out that text. They filter out that comment there, this square. Guys, we have a triple. We're going to use it. Love you too, baby. Is that, I don't know. We're going to talk afterwards, pan that. That no. And guys, double tap on it. Act like you don't see our comment. That comment, the one that need filter. So, we were talking about something and we want to get back on track. All right? Not because I'm a friend over there. So, guys, want to help me with the triple or with the year we are talk. So, as we are talking about, we was talking about our child because enough parents don't really want to come out here so can talk about certain things and talk about kids. I now got deep down in it. But let me tell you something, as what I said, right? I see what go on online. I see the video. I never aware of nothing at all. I never did aware of saying, guys, use a triple. I wasn't aware of even knowing said, okay, they have an Instagram. But let me tell you something. Enough of we go on like say we parents are good at two shoes. Enough of we parents act like said we knows it all and we know everything we are going in our pitney life. You understand me? Right? The thing is this is when we know how we can deal with the whole situation. Guys, use a triple chat. Right? It's when we know we can try to deal with the whole situation. Right? So, the end of the day, as when I said, I would never ever try to lick it. Look here, me now lick them a look at young people here right now. I am not licking them a young people because yet them a look at young people, as when me tell you know. When you lick them body immune to lick. That me I tell you. When you lick them, it a go bounce off. Yeah, no connection now go on. When you lick them, you look at young people and talk about you lick them. Look here, I lick your own self. Remember me tell you, you like you thump your own self in your face. I lick your own self. Me nah do that. Anything them have, me take care, me punish them. You understand me? And put them in a them place. That is the whole key for me. Me know they are foreign, but me know say me have sense enough. When me know say, me not go waste my time like back in the days. Somebody a run down pitney and I lick them with hose and whip and all of them sinting. Them some they don't work. You don't go damage your pitney. And when them get bigger and older, them a come back and tell you say, remember when you did beat me with hose? Remember when you did beat me with wire? You want wicked mother, you want... Me not do that. Me not do that because when time they do it back in ideas, it solve nothing at all more than damage your skin and give you scars for life. And parents still hate, you still hate parents same way. You still go do it, you still hide and go take the boy. You still hide and go text the friend. You still do everything. Same way when you get the lick, it come like you lick give you one boot. It come like you lick is a bootster. It come like you lick is a bootster. Right? So me now go take my look a fragile self in a milli 40 where I go on right now this week and go lick no pitney. Cause I lick my own self. Punish the child. Talk to the child. Communicate with the child. You understand me? Reason with the child. Tell the child the truth. What you don't want them to do, they maybe not go do it, you know. I tell you the truth and you can't talk what you expect, you know. But in the day, you just have to just do the right thing. Nobody now come and say, come see me. I go slip me pitney on social media. So I take her phone. Right now, me take the phone. Me never know, say I saw pitney mad out over phone, you know. No, talk you God almighty truth now. You know, say if you take your food, she don't have no problem. No man, if you take your food from her, no problem no in it, you know. But so when you go take them phone, the whole world done. The world pop down. They don't like you. You understand what me I say? Guys, you know, with the year son, God no, help me push up a score. We can't talk on this, and I want to help me same way. No, guys, yeah, oh God, man. Thank you so much, Rich. Yeah, guys, help me push up a score. Rich, thank you. Right? So, my thing is this. I'm taking her phone. And I know she's so much upset with me right now. And to be honest, I don't care because if you did want your phone, you'd have done the right thing. You understand me? And I already warned her, no Instagram. Right? Right? I warned her about this. No Instagram. Guys, me I beg on some panic, guys. Guys, you know, help me push up a score. Please, me I ask, you know. We can't get a money gun. Something, guys, right? Help me push up a score. I already talked to her about this whole this Zoe. My daughter is 14 years old. She no fit depend on Insta, no gram. You understand me? Me even take her off of TikTok. She hardly post. She post on TikTok, guys. 2 rows. She post on TikTok when me give her the permission or she will do it and she post this week and I'll see her next week. She not supposed to have no Instagram. Them pitney are too slick. Them, hey, let me tell you so how slick them pitney is. They will depend on your phone and them have certain things and them hide it. Yeah. Yeah. They will depend on the phone, you know. And the phone did they know. And you think say everything with depend on the phone, yes, them have somewhere where them hide. Them own little thing. And them go around, they go take it out. And go in where them are going and hide it back again. Me I tell you, say, you think you better than them, you look at young people up on phone. Eh? Are we big people? You wanna feel like you're not bad like them, look at young people up on phone? You think you don't know about phone yet? Check them look at young people here. And them know about phone. And them say phone. I know you say phone. And them say phone. Right? So when they're ready, them have them look at hiding thing where them hide, where them want hide. And they say go back in and take it out and go in where them are going and hide. So no matter what you as a parents do, and about you going at the phone and say, hey, me not find nothing online. And lie, them a tell my baby don't have any Instagram. Them a tell lie for my pitney. Oh, not so lie and wicked, but my daughter have Instagram. No, she would never do that. Yeah, I look at her phone and her phone is okay. She just have calling. When you don't take a sucker, you go down and you take a look here. You know who make me find it? I want the other person. Kevin, thank you. Kevin, thank you. You know how I find it? I want the other younger one take it and see it. Kevin, bless of yourself and looking at it and say, Mommy, You know, realize that there's a thing where them hide and put it over here. So Instagram, they write it so. I don't know my Instagram because I don't use Instagram. Right? I believe TikTok worse than Instagram. You know, to be honest, I don't really think so. I don't. Kevin, I play. Kevin, what? Where's the about Kevin? Of course. You can't say, look at me not compare Instagram from TikTok because app. App is a app. You see me? TikTok same way, Instagram same way, them use the app them for do what them have to do. The only thing is what you can do with your child is most likely just try to stick point and just punish them, do what you have to do. You understand? The two of them. Yeah, basically that's it. The two of them. Right? TikTok worse. TikTok bad.
Mommy. Instagram worse.
Instagram worse. A phone in the share tell me. I don't know which part of Instagram you know there. But Instagram worse. That me I tell you. I don't know what you're talking about. But me see something on Instagram. I wish I could have unsee it. Yeah? Instagram are one of the spot there where me I tell you. So on Instagram, I see people are going to go watch blues. They are going so. They are going so. Tap. Come about TikTok worse. Me no. Yeah, live. Yeah. For real, I can't touch this.